How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing issue on your Android device. So let's get started. First, tap on the settings icon on your device. Check for updates to ensure your device software is up to date. If it says there are no updates available, you can go back. Next, scroll down the status bar and turn off Wi-Fi. Then activate airplane mode and toggle it off again. Now, turn Wi-Fi back on. This may refresh the list of available networks. Finally, you can restart your device by long pressing the home button or power button and selecting reboot. This might resolve the issue of your Wi-Fi name not showing on your Android device. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.